for Boxy Charm. Hey chicos, welcome back to Andy and Jenny's channel. Okay, so in this video I will be showing you guys what I've received from Boxy Charm for the month of March. So let me show you. Alrighty, so first thing we have the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, which retails for $45. So let's open it up and show you. As we can see, it has a blush, highlighter, contour, another highlight, brightener, and a finishing powder. So if you have to travel, you can just take this and it's easy, and there you go. Okay, the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Next we have the Wander Beauty. It's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This retails for $34. Yeah, it's a rosy color. It's a little bit of gold and it's pretty actually. So there's that. Next we have some Moto Brushes. Sorry, I'm trying to sound white. Moto Brushes. These retail for $29.99. It's a powder and soft glow kit, so it's just for your face. It's not like any eye essentials. Next, we have the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This retails for $20. Let me do a quick little swatch. It's like a little, it's a metallic color, I would say. Last but not least, we have the Manna Kadar Blue Mascara. I really like the packaging. It's like, it has a twist to it, you know? Get it? Anyways, I really like this. It's really cute. Only thing is, like, if you're trying to do a crime and steal somebody's mascara, your fingerprints will be all over it. Like, literally. There we have it. And this retails for $29. And this is it for the box of March. Now, let me tell you the total price you would pay if you were paying for each individual product. Adding all of these individual prices, you would have paid $157.99, which I only paid $20 for this month. It does help. It helps if you're trying to start a makeup collection. It helps you save some money, big time. So this is it for this video. Please stay tuned for the April's reveal.